Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Attaching a note. In this example, I'll be working with a sales invoice, but this feature is also available in other transactional and master record windows. In the Tell Me search bar, type sales invoice and choose the related link. When you open a sales invoice, you'll see a fact box on the right side of the screen displaying attachments and notes. To add a note to a transaction, click the plus icon next to Notes. A pop-up will appear where you can enter your comments. After clicking OK, you'll see the note, along with a date stamp and the name of the user who added it. You can continue adding more notes, and each note will display the corresponding user. This is useful for keeping a record of actions or updates related to a transaction or vendor.